Tell me, should I wear my glasses?
No.
I look pretty cool with them on, don't I?
Lens.
Don't be a hater. I look cool with them on, don't I?
I didn't say you don't look cool. I just said
Oh, so I do look cool. That's all I needed to hear.
You're gonna hate watching this back.
Why? You breathed. A lockdown, baby.
Kind of like
They do for every single girl.
Possibly.
Every girl that they've ever gone out with. But
probably done it before.
They'll do it again.
Hey, what's up everyone?
Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. If you're new here and this is the first time of you seeing our faces and known of our existence, hi, hello, you look cute today. So basically, I'm gonna do this bit because I'm gonna switch up a little. Basically, you already see by the title what this is. We're gonna give you ideas. Hopefully you do these ideas and you appreciate them, and let's go.
So my first one is an indoor movie night where you do like a takeaway. It could be pizza, have some snacks, the whole lot.
For me, it is you can build a fort/den because that sounds really fun. You know, I want to do.
I want to do a fort or den.
We can do it after this video.
Okay.
Okay. We're not gonna do it. You build a fort or den and you just sit in it and do whatever you want. Wink.
That's up to interpretation then.
Wink.
Anyways, so my next one, to basically go the opposite, is a candlelight dinner. So like dress up, tell your partner to wear his suit, you wear like a dress, heels, makeup, the whole lot.
My next one is a scavenger hunt. Ooh. Like you can ooh. Sorry, I did just go to my head. Right. So you get little notes, yeah, and then you write little like
like little love notes.
Yeah, but then at the end, obviously at the end, there's little like hints.
Or like a riddle.
Yeah, like that. And then afterwards, you actually go look for those things, and then at the end of the little scavenger hunt, there's either your prize or him or her or whoever
does it basically
is at the end there with the present. That's a sick idea, sorry.
And obviously the bigger your house, probably the more
space you have.
Anyways, I put down a spa day. So like face mask, pamper day / night, that sort of thing.
I said a Valentine's Day bake off. You and him, or you and her, or you and they, them, I don't know. You guys can just bake and see whose ones come out the best.
Sort of like not MasterChef, British Bake Off.
The Great British Bake Off. Is that it? Hey Siri, it is the Great British Bake Off, yeah.
Anyways, I put down you can go on a romantic walk. Maybe if you live near like a specific area that maybe it was like your first date, or like a park that you both went to when you were first seeing each other, that sort of thing. I think it'd be kind of cute. This is if you're more the like corny couple, I guess.
My next one it's kind of like the dinner she said, but it's more of I was gonna say like rock paper scissors, but not rock paper scissors. Let's say rock paper scissors. So rock paper scissors, whoever wins does the starter, then again whoever wins does the main course and then dessert. But if you lose all three, then obviously
you're cooking all three.
So make smart choices, but something along the lines of that.
So I put down, this is for like if you've got kids. I doubt many of you watching this probably do have children, but if you do, like Valentine's Day isn't just about obviously your partner, it's about love and about your whole family. So you can do sort of like a games night, but including your kids sort of thing. And this could be more games day than games night, but yeah, something like that. Oh,
excuse me.
That shows your love for Valentine's Day.
So I said, I can't really go off this again. She's already said an indoor spa day. Ooh, but this one kind of goes hand in hand together because I wrote them underneath each other. Indoor spa day, but you can learn to you can be the masseuse and massage each other.
Take it in turns. Do as you please.
Get nice oil rubs and
them essential oils and all of that.
Just rub it in, I mean, if
that looks so wrong when you do it like that. So my next one was painting moment together. Maybe draw each other.
My one is have a photo shoot. Have an indoor photo shoot together.
That could be quite cool. So even though I've technically said it, if you've got kids, I'm going to say it again. You can do a board games. So aka games night.
Guys, okay, so this is more for those couple. You guys could be married, or you guys could just be just together. Newlyweds. When I say newlyweds, I mean in terms of you're still in your honeymoon phase of your relationship, or you could be newlyweds. I don't know what's going on in your life, but you guys can make vision boards together.
Ooh, that's especially good though if you are recently together, sort of.
Yeah, so it kind of helps you guys
plan out your future almost without
being together long term. Exactly, be together long term and
See, maybe as well if like your ambitions match up, or like if you have similar things that you want to do in life. Kind of
I'm very sorry if your ambitions don't meet up, but
well, hey, at least now you know from early.
Exactly. No.
So my next one, this is more for now. Maybe if you've been together for longer, you can do a Mr. and Mrs. quiz night. Like see who knows more about the other person.
Oh,
who
okay.
retains more about the other person.
Wine tasting. As simple as that. Wine
Literally,
tasting.
simple as that.
Buy wine, drinks that you've never tried before, and taste it.
And taste it. The little swish swish in the cup in your mouth. Well, basically going off the alcohol spectrum, I put down make your own cocktails.
Painting, but no,
Mine's different.
It's just very different. Body painting.
I was waiting for that.
Body painting. Y'all just paint each other's body and then sit on paper, and then it's
just make sure back to buy a lot of paper.
And it's just really just like the whole. What's the word?
I don't know what this means.
The whole like a body portrait kind of paint. I'm
like
not
a canvas.
That's it. Sorry,
Ow.
that's it. You have the whole thing there, and you can frame it.
I was literally going to say you can frame it. So I put down do like your own come dine with me. So you each cook each other like a 3-course meal, and then see.
Isn't that not the same as your dinner?
No, the other one was like you could either do it together or the guy could do it for the girl.
Oh, okay.
This one's more like almost like a competition in a way. Make it a bit more fun.
Okay. For this one is now for friends. I thought let's be inclusive here. This is one for friends, one for single girls, and one for single guys. This is where I'm heading. This one for the single friends. Obviously you don't have to do it now, but you can plan a girls' night in or a girls' night out with your friends.
My next one is again for those corny couples out there that like to be like all cutesy and whatnot. I put you can go down memory lane and like talk about each other's favourite memories, what you guys liked so far about your relationship, or something that you think about a lot and reminisce on.
Ladies, this is for you. This is for the singletons. When I say this, I mean it in the sense of be responsible.
Like you're gonna be offensive.
No, I mean it in the sense of be responsible, treat yourself. But you can do your nails, your eyebrows, your lashes, your makeup, your hair.
Basically make yourself feel
good, you know?
About yourself, yeah.
Forget all the couples if you want to. If you're going through a rough patch and
make that boy regret his whole life.
If there was never a boy, then you
do you.
Exactly.
So I put down, going off the memory lane one, I put create a scrapbook together of all your favourite memories. So like any pictures you may have, you can like write about what happened that day.
No, this is my last one. This is for the guys, because I got you.
She got you guys, she got you.
Have a guys' night in. You guys can have like beer or your alcoholic beverage.
Whiskey.
Yeah, you can watch the sports. You can just sit around.
Slap a football game on.
And I mean, if you're not emotional, then don't do this. But like just talk, you know,
But you know what? Even if you're not emotional, still do it, because I feel like a lot of guys out there don't do it and bottle it up, and then you're just aggressive for no reason. And that is why you're aggressive. Lay it out. You're right. No, because it's true. Are you done?
Yeah, I'm pretty much done. That's all mine is.
Alright, so I've got 2 more. So you said like the bake off. So I, instead of bake off, I put baking together, so you can like make a cake or your favourite cakes together. And my last one was, this was for more like if you're trying to include your friends but you're also still in couples. I put you can do double date via Zoom or FaceTime with like your friends that are also in a relationship.
Okay, I just came up with one while you were talking just then. Ooh. Basically, I don't want to sound biased in this situation because this is very basic. It's a very basic idea, but in the sense of you can get the rose petals, just like decorate and
like,
get the
like how the guys do in the hotel rooms and stuff. Kind of like
that. They do for every single girl.
Possibly.
Every girl that they've ever gone out with. But
probably done it before.
They'll do it again.
And continue to do it.
As every girl likes that. But you know, each to their own. That's an idea I came up with. But
and you know what? That could also go in, you know when you said your photo shoot?
Yeah.
You could do that, but like join it with a photo shoot, because then at least it's not as basic.
Fancy. But that's me done.
Yeah, same. That was me done. Don't think I've got any more to point out.
But you know what? You can let us know, or don't let us know, whichever one you get up to. Or you know, you can do what everyone would preferably do on Valentine's Day, and then 9 months later, you
there's the result. Yeah, there's the result of Valentine's Day. But you know, no one's judging.
You know, do what you do.
We're in lockdown. There's only so much you can do.
A lockdown, baby. A lockdown.
But yeah, let us know if you've got any other ideas that we didn't mention that you're gonna do. Anyways, we hope you enjoy your Valentine's Day. Have a lovely Valentine's Day. We've got one more video coming up that will be
Valentine's related. Sorry, I screamed that.
Valentine's related. I want to say it.
Sorry,
but yeah, that will be Valentine's related. And yeah, we hope you enjoyed.
Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.
Make sure to turn on post notifications so you know when we next upload.
And I got a special task for you.
What?
You can follow our social medias, which will be here on the screen.
In the description box.
Why am I like this?
That's about it from us over here.
Oh, that was a lovely way to end it. We're gonna start doing that. That's about it. That's about it done. What did you say?
That's a bit. I don't even know now.
That's
That's about it from us over here.
We'll get back to it then. We'll just do that, you know.
See you guys.
Bye.